It is literally so hot in my room right now. Hey guys, it's Kina and I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the title below, it's a try-on haul, and I've been going shopping a lot because it's kind of like end of summer, going into school season, so I thought I'd pick up some few items. So let's get started. The first place that I went to was Urban Planet, and they're having a sale, so I picked up a few items. The first is this pair of shorts, and I think it is so cute. It's striped, there's a little like tie up in the front, it's flowy. I love wearing flowy shorts in the summer, and I just think it's nice to pair with like so many different items. Next up, I have the same pair of shorts, but it just in a reddish color. I am not a bright clothing type of girl, but I thought these shorts were so cute and they were really comfortable when I tried them on, so I thought I'd pick up another pair. You know what, why not expand color in my closet? Next, I picked up a jumpsuit, but it's like a v-neck in the front, like a low deep V. I'm really bad at describing clothing, I am so sorry. But yeah, it's just like a jumpsuit, so it's like fitted at the bottom and stuff. I think you can wear this like literally anywhere in any season, so I thought it'd be a nice piece to have in my wardrobe. Next up, I have another jumpsuit romper type thing. So it looks like this. It's like off the shoulder, navy and white striped. So this is like what's different about it. It's a romper, but it has like this little thing in the back that makes it look like a maxi dress. Like, I don't know what these are called, I actually don't know, but I've been seeing a lot of these around recently and I think it's so cute that I decided to pick one up. Once again, with the off-shoulder top, of course I had to get one. I bought this one and it's like a maroon mauve type color. Off the shoulder, it's like the smocked type material that everyone's been wearing recently, so I thought I'd pick this one up. And this one's like really easy to pair, and it could be a nice fall color to wear too. Since fall is coming up, I thought that this would look so nice with like blue jeans or like black jeans, like any type of jeans. It just looks so cute, so I got that as well. Next, I went to Dynamite and I picked one item up. I got this top. It's like a cropped fitted top. It has like this cool little v-neck in it, and it's like wired so it stays like in shape and stuff like that, and I just thought this would be a nice piece to have. It's like very classy kind of looking, so you can definitely like dress it up, or you can just like dress it down with shorts or something like that, so I thought this would be a nice piece to have. The last piece that I got was from Sports Check. I don't know if this is just in Canada, it might be, but it's just like a sporting goods store, and I picked up this shirt from there, and it's just a Blue Jays shirt because I'm from Toronto, so you know, Blue Jays. And honestly, this isn't a youth size because I can fit that, and it's also cheaper, and your girl's on a budget. So that was the last item I got, and honestly, look out for more hauls because I'm probably gonna go shopping again very soon. A little bit of a shopping problem, not gonna lie. Comment down below what type of new videos you want because I'm trying to film more for my channel. So I will see you guys next time. Bye friends! You know you are a YouTuber when you literally just put on a nice top and you wear like ugly PJ shorts, gym shorts. What up?